To apply bronzer, use a bronzer that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Wait until you've applied all of your foundation and concealer. Then run a soft blending brush over the bronzer and tap the brush to knock off any big pieces. Blend the bronzer into the skin under your hairline using small circular motions. Next, reload your brush and knock off any excess bronzer. Create contours on your cheeks by brushing in a downward arc from your temple to the corner of your lip. Repeat this on each side and feather any harsh lines out using the brush. After you're done with your cheeks, give your jawline definition by reloading your brush and running it along your jawline. Feather any harsh lines out and brush downward from the jawline to lightly blend the bronzer into your neck. Finally, load your brush and apply bronzer to both sides of your nose, leaving a little highlight in the bridge. Feather the harsh lines out by dusting over them for radiant skin with a beautiful subtle glow.